Have got, I have got, blue eyes. I have got, you have got, they have got. I've got, you've got, they've got. I haven't got, you haven't got, they haven't got. Have I got? Have you got? Have they got? He has got, she has got, it has got. He's got, she's got, it's got. He hasn't got, she hasn't got, it hasn't got. Has he got? Has she got? Has it got? Declarative sentences. She's got a narrow nose, a thin face, and green eyes. She's got fair skin and blue eyes. He's got a long neck, a high forehead, and good teeth. She's got dark skin, a broad nose, and full lips. He's got a beard, brown eyes, and dark skin. Questions and answers. Has she got full lips and brown eyes? Yes, she has. Has he got a beard and blue eyes? Yes, he has. Has he got teeth? No, he hasn't. Has she got a broad nose and dark skin? No, she's got a narrow nose and fair skin. Hair. Look, listen, repeat. Verbs. Wear. I wear my hair short. Comb. She combs her hair. Brush. She brushes her hair. Cut. She cuts her hair. Wash. I wash my hair. Color. I color my hair. Have got. I have got a comb. Questions and answers. Does he color his hair? Yes, he does. He colors his hair. Does he wear a beard? Yes, he does. He wears a beard. Has he got red hair? No, he hasn't. He's got brown hair. Does she wear her hair in braids? Yes, she does. Has he got hair? No, he hasn't. He is bald. Has she got wavy hair? No, she hasn't. She's got curly hair.